Alright, welcome to this lesson. This lesson is on writing the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. Okay, so again, this is similar to our parallel question, but you want to pay very close attention to whether it's parallel or perpendicular, because that completely changes your answer. Again, they give us the equation of a line. Given the line is y equals negative 2x minus 4, find a line perpendicular to that passes through the point 2, negative 1. Now again, they only gave us this equation for one purpose, and that is to steal the slope. The difference between parallel and perpendicular lines is that parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slope. So what that means is we flip the number, make its reciprocal, and we change its sign. So we take the equation they gave us and look, it had a slope of negative 2. We want a line perpendicular to that. So we change it to positive, and we do the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2, or 2 over 1, would be 1/2. So our line isn't going to have a slope of negative 2. It's going to have a slope of 1/2. And again, to find that, we changed the sign of our slope and flipped it. So we are finding the equation for a line that has a slope of 1/2 and passes through the point 2, negative 1. So we go ahead and put that in our point slope formula. Okay. Y minus the y from our point was negative 1 equals m, our slope of 1/2, times x minus the x from our point, which was 2. We simplify that. Minus a negative is plus, so we end up with y plus 1 equals, and I'm going to distribute here, 1/2 x minus 1/2 times 2 is 1. My last step is to get y by itself, so I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I get y equals 1/2 x minus 2. And if this went off of your screen, please maximize your screen so that this fills your entire screen so you can see all of the writing. Okay, so there is our equation. Here's one more example. Again, it says, given a specific line, y equals 1/3 x plus 1, find the line perpendicular, very important to know whether it's perpendicular or parallel. This is perpendicular to that line and passing through, again, the point 2, negative 1. Okay, so again, they gave us this equation only so we could steal its slope. The slope of this line they gave us was 1/3. We want something perpendicular to that, so remember, we changed the sign. This was a positive 1/3, so our perpendicular line will have a negative slope. And we flip the fraction. 1/3, if we flip that over, gives us 3 over 1, or 3. Therefore, our line that's perpendicular to the one they gave us is going to have a slope of negative 3. They also would like it to pass through the point 2, negative 1. There is all of our facts, and we just plug that into the point slope formula to find the equation of our line. Okay, so y minus y1, remember, is the y from our point. So that would be negative 1. M is the slope times x minus the x from our point, which was 2. We simplify. So again, minus a negative makes this y plus 1. We distribute the negative 3, and we get negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Our last step is to get y by itself by subtracting 1 from both sides. And we end up with our answer of y equals negative 3x plus 5. And we have now written the equation of a line perpendicular to the one that they gave us and passing through a point 2, negative 1.